Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about Tricklet, which is a laser hair removal. So this one's for at home, which is great if we don't want to spend too much money. There's always alternatives that we can get, like this one. So it also comes with an exclusive app that we have to download. That it comes with a little QR code. It has Bluetooth connecting, so it shows you all about the things about this little machine. Also comes with a manual to let you know how everything's working to first-time users just like me. Also, it comes with this nice little bag so you can store it too if you don't want to store it in the box. Also comes with the shaver because you do have to shave the unwanted hair before start using this. And also it comes with the glasses because we want to use it when we're using the laser. So let's go check it out. This is the little laser machine. It is very small, handheld, very cute, white and like a gold color. One thing about this though is that you have to keep this plugged in order to use it. So we have our little plug-in here. We have a little extension cord, but like I said before, it has to be connected. Also too, it shows us different modes. It comes with about like 5 different modes, a cooling mechanism, comes with more specifics on how to use it. So it's a great user-friendly first timers. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right guys, so we downloaded the app, we have it here. You can basically control this little machine with the app on here. You can turn the cooling on, you can actually turn off the machine, you can change the levels on here. There's so many different opportunities you can do on this smartphone to connect it to this little machine. So let's go ahead and test it out. So right now it says recommended only on level 1. It has the ice mode on, so basically it's for sensitive skin. And then, so let's go ahead and try it. So I have my handy dandy glasses here. It says for the first time, try it in one small area, so just in case that your skin doesn't get affected. So I already shaved this little portion down here, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. You basically have to keep this window on contact skin. So you can't lift it up because it is a laser and it does have a flash. So let's go ahead and do it. So it says it wants it to keep at a vertical angle at 90 degrees. All right, so let's go ahead and press it. Just warning, there is a flash, so be careful. So you press it at 90 degrees. There it is. So you just keep moving around. It's cooling, just makes it nice and warm into the designated areas that you want it to be. All right. And in about 3 to 4 weeks, that is the suggested time when it should start having the laser hair removal. So give it a try.